Hello everybody, here is with Leandro. Okay, and as you can see here you have a new UML model. Okay, product, supplier, unit, gender, category, currency and system, something like this. And from here you have a supplier contract. I don't know why it's here, but never mind. And by the way, we have this class, we have many others: system, sales, for client, for receivement, for cash register, for credit protection, and many others. Okay, many other, as you can see, discount and package fields. So never mind about it. Each package, for example supply, have things related to this. Okay, so that's why you have a supplier and contact here. Never mind this table is ugly this way. Never mind, because it should be like one email and one phone, right? Never mind. So we have this class here, and we execute the transformation, a model to model transformation, and we will get this class here. I can run it right now and you be able to see it. So like run configurations. Okay, there is a transformation code which run this transformation, and I have, for example, mine before and views migration. I don't remember. I think this mine before. Yes. So PHP before here, and DB profile and tapes, MySQLite, MySQL, sorry, tapes for PostgreSQL, tapes for MySQL, tapes for Android, and the working in this case the WPSM seller 2, which is the name of this module. I can change it to video to app like video to model. Okay, so I'm going to apply this and run this, and it will create here inside this folder a new module. New module. Just wait a minute. Let's see, open here console, and it's supposed to show something here to show the I'd say the time it's being used. Yes, starting, creating custom functions, creating configuration class, creating MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, and Android package. Okay, because in this case a single model is being used to generate for these 3 different databases and also for Android. Okay, this Android model, it has tapes, like the variables have tapes, and then they can be used for making PHP also, because as you will be able to see here, it's divided in module, view, and controller, how to say, package. Okay, so as you can see here, our root model, we have some data types defined here, because I want to name, for example, what is a website URL, what's an app name, and what's the B schema name. So I have this custom config here, which I need to change it. Okay, so let's go to properties and change the name. Just change the name here. As you can see, name, and it's this name. It will be video app2. Okay, just for this video here, it will be this name. So in this case also will be video app2, and here https www dot. Okay, just for this video I'm making this way. So as you can see, it's not saved. If I save, okay, so everything okay. So as you can see here, you have a reserved folder custom code, which is not being used in this video. MySQL, PostgreSQL, okay, with whatever inside. okay, for example client, or let's see, product, or product supply here. Okay, so let's see the product from this package, and it comes with the information about the product. Okay, and as you can see, it's char for char. It's because in MySQL it's this way. Okay, so the types came from another module. Okay, in this case MySQL, Postgres, and Android. In Android you have the same things. You have a package representing each of that, how to say, things that compose my program is composed of this, all these things here. Sorry for my bad accent. And yes, so you have here, for example, system, module, view, controller, and in module you have, for example, user, token, system, currency, things like this here. Okay, and you have also a view, okay, for insertion and deleting, which it need to be, these views need to be changed. Okay, and you have some how to say, what's the name of this, stereotypes here, as you can see, client hidden and view list. So in this case it means that I don't want to make a form for it on the client, and I want to list somehow. I want to have a query in a database to list this. Okay, so you have client hidden, client const. For example, the system is a constant, something like this. Never mind about it. Some things maybe need to be deleted, okay, but never mind for now. And you have the same thing here, but here is a controller, so you have class with operations. Okay, in here we have class with operations, and each single operation is pointing to a view. Okay, and each single view have whatever it has. For example, we have for example, let's see, system user index, have user, system, rule, and currency. Okay, so it's like this view is composed of these these four related tables, something like this. But never mind about it right now. Okay, this video is supposed to be really fast. Okay, so let's have a look here in product, just to show you something. Let's see, supply, controller. I don't know if it's in controller or, never mind. Product. As you can see, it's the same thing. Let's see in view. I think maybe in view you'll see something. Let's see, product, no view. No, it's not this. Delete, have no view. I mean maybe update. Yes. So as you can see here, product has a picture, you know, and this hasn't been defined here in this product. So the product itself haven't defined any field here for picture, but it has a picture. So when I generate the code, it will take photos, and the photo will be the ID of this product. Okay, but never mind. Let's close this. File, new project. You don't need to make it, okay, but I'm going to make this way just because I want to show you things happening. Okay, so I'm going to put this name here, click next, and click finish. I should be just click finish, never mind. And then we have here some transformations, which is different from this one. This first one was module to module transformation. This one is a module to text transformation. So it means that let's see, where's my diagrams, local diagram. Oh, there's a very important thing. The diagrams must be local, I think, in the how to say, they have to be placed in the workplace, you know, the workplace folder. I have tried with Git, like putting in GitHub something like this, and have been failed because it was not able to find the module. So I'll just put here. So this also is a module. Okay, I just want to say this also is a module. It doesn't have a diagram, but I can like initialize a diagram here, like new and order and Papyrus model. So it will create a Papyrus model, and then I'll be able to, for example, work in this custom code package and make custom code for functions. Okay. So let's run all these things here